Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up interactive brokers for futures trading. First, you need to open an account and complete the application process. During this step, it is crucial to select the correct trading permissions for futures. Once your application is approved, you will need to fund your account. A minimum of $1,000 is generally recommended to start trading futures effectively. This initial setup ensures you are ready for the next steps. After your account is open, log into the client portal and navigate to the Settings menu. Here, you will find Trading Permissions, where you must explicitly request and enable futures trading. This step is vital for accessing futures markets. Next, deposit funds into your account. You can typically do this via a bank wire or an ACH transfer. Ensure your funds are settled before attempting to place any trades. Now download and install the Trader Workstation, or TWS platform. This is Interactive Broker's robust trading interface. Take time to familiarize yourself with its layout and features. Understand different order types, such as limit orders and market orders, and how they function in futures trading. Before using real capital, practice extensively in a paper trading account. This allows you to test strategies without financial risk. Effective risk management is paramount in futures trading. Always implement strict strategies for each trade, defining your maximum acceptable loss. Understand the margin requirements for futures contracts, and be aware of the potential for significant daily losses. Continuous learning and adapting to market conditions are key to long-term success. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Good luck with your trading journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.